This is how you can create a flow between Google Forms and Mailchimp using Unito. Here I've got a Google form that is used to collect newsletter subscribers. How we want this flow to work is that when someone fills out this form, their contact information gets synced over to Mailchimp, where I manage contacts and send emails. This way you don't need to export or copy-paste responses from your form. They will automatically sync from one tool to the other so you can scale your contact management process in Mailchimp. To show you how this works, we'll go into Unito to look over the steps. The first step is to connect Google Forms and Mailchimp. Select Responses as a work item and the form you want to sync in Google Forms. Then select Contact as a work item in Mailchimp and the audience you want to sync those contacts into. The second step is to choose a direction of your flow, from Google Forms to Mailchimp. The third step is to create rules. I created a rule that says any submission in this Google form will sync over to Mailchimp as a contact. If you want, you could set up a rule that by default applies a specific tag to the contacts that you sync. One of the unique aspects of this integration is that Unito will sync historical responses received before the integration was set up. This saves you from having to migrate previous contacts you collected in your form into Mailchimp manually. If you only want new responses, however, you can specify that with a rule on creation date, which will be there by default. I removed it since I already had contacts collected in my form that I wanted to sync over. You can see those contacts here in Mailchimp with the source Unito. Keep in mind that at this moment we do not support merging duplicate contacts, so you may create near identical contacts in Mailchimp if a matching one already exists in your audience. And in my fourth step, I've added field mappings to link form questions to fields in Mailchimp. For example, email with email, last name, first name, and first name. I've mapped the industry question with tags in Mailchimp. This way I can dynamically populate the tags field in Mailchimp based on how people respond to this question, which I'll show you in just a moment. My flow is already launched. I have those existing contacts from the form already synced in, and now I'll show you how that works with the new contact. I'll head over to my form and fill out my information quickly. I'll submit my information, and now in a few moments we'll see that contact sync over to Mailchimp. I'm going to refresh Mailchimp, and that contact should be here. So we can see that new response is synced over, Freddie Harvin, who we just submitted the form as, and the source is Unito. So in addition to the names and email that have synced over, you can see that the industry selected from the form automatically applies the related tag in Mailchimp. Now you can trigger emails using these tags automatically. For example, you may have a specific set of emails for people who work in professional services companies versus those who work in software companies. In Mailchimp, tags are a very popular way to segment these audiences. This saves a lot of time on contact management and also allows you to build a scalable process that operates without any manual work. For this to sync as expected, make sure you create the tags that you want to sync with your form in advance in Mailchimp. I already did that here for all the different industries that I wanted, for example. With your integration set up, any new responses in your form will continue to sync over as contacts, in addition to the previous responses if you chose to include them. And that's how you sync Google Forms and Mailchimp using Unito. Thanks a lot for watching. If you want to try this integration yourself, Unito offers a free 14-day trial by signing up on our website, unito.io.